Give me everything you got.
You can have her, mister.
I don't want to take your doll, sweetheart. You know, when my granddaughter was your age, she had one just like it.
What's her name?
Okay, honey, this man has a job to do.
His job's robbing banks.
No, sweetheart. Just trying to see my family more often.
You okay, mister?